There's a memory that lingers in the evening light, a curly blonde-haired girl, so shy and so bright, with a laughter like a melody and a heart so pure, sipping wine coolers in the Texas heat we endured. And she was riding in my car, cruising down the lane, wind in her hair, feeling young, feeling pain. She'd look away, her eyes averted my gaze. I'd ask her softly, what's wrong with us these days? Oh, my heart still aches when I think of you, wondering what I said or what I didn't do. But we were riding in my car, cruising down the lane, wind in our hair, feeling young, feeling pain. I am mindful of you every day. When I look back, I wonder and I pray. Back then our young love grew apart. Just know you hold a special place in my heart. I wish we were riding in my car, cruising down the lane, wind in our hair, feeling young, feeling no pain. I wish we were riding in my car, cruising down the lane, wind in our hair, feeling young and feeling no pain.